Hi everyone, we are Team HatchMark and we are doing the consumer primitive main track with the Sui blockchain as our side track. AI generates photorealistic images in seconds these days. Deepfakes are everywhere. And on another note, copyright infringement is exploding as well. Artists and creators lose billions as their work is copied, scraped, and stolen without permission. And creators have zero trustless way to prove they made something first. Anyone can copy, anyone can repost, and anyone can claim that it's theirs. And online, truth spreads way slower than fakes. No proof, no ownership, and no trust. So we asked a very simple question: what if every piece of content had a fingerprint, a brain, and an immutable timestamp? That's where our product HatchMarks comes in. The moment that you create something, HatchMarks scans it, fingerprints it, and permanently records proof of ownership on the Sui blockchain. So what we would do to start off is we would connect to our wallet first. So I connect it right now. I approve it off, and now we can see that we are connected to our wallet. Now we can start on with registering our content. So I click on this button and I drop off my image over here. So I will put an image of the Hong Kong skyline. So what it would do now is it would create a perceptual hash, which is basically a fingerprint for the image. So even if someone crops it, compresses it, or resizes it, this fingerprint still matches. And here's the magic: it also does AI detection analysis. So we can see that we have 1% probability of it being AI because I clicked it myself. So we are not just fingerprinting the image, we are verifying whether it's real or an AI generated as well. So it scans for deepfakes, synthetic artifacts, and generation patterns automatically. So now what we would do is we would put in the title of this, which is Hong Kong, and we would put in a short description, the skyline of Hong Kong. And now we would register it on the blockchain. So it would ask us for approval now. So we approve it off. And it would ask me to put in password. I would put in my password over here. And as you can see now, it is registered on the blockchain successfully. So if I go to the dashboard now, I could see my content registered over here, and I can see my certificate as well. I could see the registration date, the certificate ID, the content hash, and the owner address as well. And if I want to, I can see the QR code of my blockchain successfully as well. If I want to download it as a PNG, I could download it as well and share it to others to verify its authenticity. And then now what I would do is I would verify whether my content is registered or not. So if I put in the same image over here again, right, it would show that a match has already been found. So this protects our ownership of the image since the image is already registered on our blockchain. So what I would do next is I would upload a cropped version of this image. And as you would see, it would detect that it is cropped and already registered on the blockchain as well. So as you can see that it detected a match for the cropped version of this image as well. As you can see that it's a 78% match because I cropped it off to 78%. So this is how even it works, even if the image is altered in some way or other. And like for example, maybe cropping or resizing, or maybe using AI to generate another version of the image. So this is how we could verify it off as well. Lastly, we just didn't stop here. We also built a Chrome extension. So now you can verify any image that you come across over the internet. So imagine that you're browsing and you come across this piece of art, this piece of image. What you can do is you can right click and you can check it out with HatchMark. So what it would do, it would scan the image and check the registry. And you can see that there's no match found because this image is not registered in our HatchMark registry. So this way you can verify the authenticity of any content that you come across over the internet. Thank you.